President Draupadi Murmu attended the 49th annual convocation of the All India Institute of Medical Sciences, New Delhi. Addressing the event, the President said that All India Institute of Medical Sciences is a symbol of hope for millions of patients who come here for treatment from across the country. She also said that in the 69 years of its existence, the brand All India Institute of Medical Sciences has stood the test of time because of its commitment to values. Prime Minister Narendra Modi hailed India's historic achievement of 1 billion tons coal production, highlighting significant commitment to energy security, economic growth and self-reliance. In a social media post, he lauded this achievement, calling it a proud moment for India, which also reflects the dedication and hard work of all those associated with the sector. Home Minister Amit Shah said that there has been a 70% decline in deaths due to terrorism in Jammu and Kashmir, and terror incidents have also fallen sharply. Replying in Rajya Sabha, the minister said in the past 10 years, the government has strengthened the security of the nation through political will and use of technology. India has taken a major step toward hosting global sporting events by officially submitting an expression of interest to organize the Centenary Commonwealth Games in Ahmedabad, Gujarat, in 2030. This move aligns with India's broader ambition to secure major international events, including a bid for the 2036 Olympic Games. Union Minister of State for Science and Technology Dr. Jitendra Singh addressed the 13th Biotechnology Industry Research Assistance Council Foundation Day in New Delhi. Speaking at the event, Dr. Singh said that India is being recognized globally for its remarkable progress in space and biotechnology. The minister also launched the India Bioeconomy Report 2025 and Biosarthi, an initiative for global mentoring for biotech startups.